Is it a little dry in here? Sandy seems to think so. I'm Lauren, and this is Communication Q&A. Today I have got a question from Sandy who will interest anyone out there that needs to give really information-dense, dry presentations. Here's her question. Hi Lauren, you're a very energetic presenter. Thank you, Sandy. Yes, I am. And I'm hoping you can help me inject some energy into my presentations. I'm a civil engineer and need to make lots of technical presentations. The content is very dry and is usually created by another department according to strict guidelines. I want to engage my audience more, but can't change much about the content or the slides that I use in my presentation. How can I bring energy and interest into these dry, boring talks? Thanks for your insight, Sandy. This is the technical presenter's dilemma, and Sandy, your predicament is actually a very, very common one, especially for people who work for large corporations or who are in very technically or legally dense fields like finance, engineering, health, insurance, and so on. Often in these fields, presentations need to be extremely precise, especially in their language. They have to follow specific formats and must present information in a really specific way. The presentations themselves are often developed by one department, usually the communications department, and then get presented by many different employees. These presentations are stamped with the headquarters seal of approval, and individual presenters don't always have a lot of leeway to change them. This is a situation I see a lot, and it very much sounds like the one that you're in. But even if you don't have a lot of agency to change your presentations around, Sandy, there are steps you can take in order to bring more life to the content. First, figure out what it is about that piece, about that talk, that sparks your own interest and excitement. Being able to get excited about the content or the topic is going to help you show more energy in the presentation, and that's important for getting the audience interested. When you show the audience that you're excited about it, they take your lead and become more excited and interested themselves. Audiences very much follow the emotional lead of the presenter. So if you're acting like you're bored, they're going to be bored. If you act like you're excited, they'll be excited. You don't need to go completely over the top, but you do have to put in the effort to project a bit of enthusiasm. And this is easier to do if you figure out what in the content genuinely interests or excites you. Sometimes you need to dig pretty darn deep to find that spark of interest, but you must dig. Here's an example. I once worked with a client in the oil and gas industry, and he had to give incredibly dry presentations on oil extraction methods. Now, he wasn't interested in this at all, so we started to dig for something related to oil and gas extraction that did interest him. He thought the process of extraction was as dry as dust, and there wasn't anything in any of the presentations he could be even remotely excited about. But he was really into fancy cars. And what's one of the results of oil extraction? The gas we put into our cars. So we boiled it down to this mantra. This makes cars go, and that's pretty cool. Whenever he found himself getting annoyed with this presentation or taking on a really droning tone, he would repeat this. This is what makes our cars go. That's pretty amazing. With as much enthusiasm as he could muster. That helped him get a little bit more interested in the topic that he was talking about and engaging better with the audience. Is it a bit simplistic? Yes, but it was a genuine spark that helped him create that sense of excitement. Once you've identified that personal spark of interest that you have in the content, hone in on what the audience needs to figure out the most, and then work on making that information as easy and simplified and accessible as possible for them. This is where you need to make technical information more digestible to non-experts, because often boring is another word for overwhelming. So you need to decrease that overwhelm. That will decrease the dryness of the information. So dress up the presentation with analogies and stories to make the information more human and relatable. And you can get pretty silly when you do this too. Can you describe a complex system by comparing it to a crazy frat house party? Can you take a dry process and explain it like a football play? Can you illustrate the data using stories, fables, or metaphors? Get creative with this. Facts, figures, statistics, these can be explained in many ways. So take a few creative risks and get inventive with how you present the information. You might need to really sample and experiment with a few different stories and analogies before you hit it, but keep taking those risks, keep making those experiments, and you will find something that works. Finally, offer the audience your personal insights on the information. Here is how you take a presentation that's been created by someone else and make it your own. Tell the audience what you find is most interesting about the content, what you think is most useful, or any other thoughts you have in the material. Maybe you have a really different way of looking at this information and it lets you make forecasts on it. Everyone has unique interpretations based on our individual experiences, our education, our interests, and so on. So what is your unique insight or interpretation on this presentation? Make that part of the conversation with your audience. This helps you make your content your own and shows the audience that they're speaking with a real engaged human being instead of some corporate drone. The best of all is that these steps can all be done off script and without changing a single slide. If you take these steps, identifying what info excites you, using metaphors, stories, and analogies to explain dense information, and sharing your unique insights on the content with the audience, I guarantee your next presentation will be more lively and more enjoyable for both your audience and for yourself. And now it's over to you. What sort of boring information have you had to dress up to make it more interesting or more digestible? Share your stories in the comments down below. And please help spread the presentation joy, help make more presentations more engaging, less dry, by liking this video, subscribing, and hitting the notice bell to stay up to date on all of my latest videos. While you're at it, head over to laurensergi.com and sign up for more great tips and resources that I only share via email. Thank you for being here with me today, and I'll see you next time.